Hi, I'm Kelsey.
I'm Kat.
And we are the Lost Weekenders.
Steven's over there.
Steven's over there.
He's one of us too.
He's also a Lost Weekender. He's filming. And we're making tiki drinks, our favorite Trader Sam's drinks. Disclaimer time. We're not bartenders.
Yeah, we're not bartenders.
We're not close to bartenders.
And we don't have exact recipes either, so it's all kind of, you know, we're making it up as we go. We're learning.
We're learning. We're doing the best that we can.
Well, right now we're gonna make a shipwreck on the rocks.
That's one of your favorites.
I love it, because it's really just bourbon. Sweetened bourbon.
It's just hooch.
Yeah, it's just a cup full of hooch.
There's legitimately 3-4 ingredients in this drink, and we have substitutes for a few of them.
Yeah, we only have 2 of them.
But you know what? Bourbon.
We're just gonna sweeten up some bourbon.
It's gonna
add a little flavor.
It's gonna get the job done. You know?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
You drink Shipwrecks more than I do. I'll only take a sip of yours generally. So you're gonna be the true judge.
Yeah.
She can lie to all of us and we won't know.
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's get going. Tell me what to put in here.
Okay, so we gotta muddle some things.
We got a muddler.
Okay. So I imagine we
Zoop.
muddle that in the cup?
In the cup?
I don't know. Yeah, Steven says yes. We're muddling in the cup.
Steven says
So we're gonna muddle.
Doesn't really mean anything.
It says 4 mint leaves and 4 wedges of lemon.
Great. Well, I got mint. Okay, 4 mint leaves. If it was me, I'd be putting in a ton.
That's more. I love mint.
I've seen them do this.
Yeah, that releases the
aromas. And it makes it feel good. You know? You're like, good job.
You did it, mint.
You did it. I give a little tear too.
Extra aromas.
Boop, beep, boop. I'm gonna put some in there.
Yeah.
Okay, now should I muddle it with the
Yeah, it says muddle them together.
Okay, we have grapefruit. Okay, how many wedges?
4.
4. Okay. I'm gonna do little wedges. Jeez Louise. Maybe I should have squeezed this before I just willy-nilly dumped it in. Ooh, it looks good. It looks real. It looks real. Look at that.
Heck yeah.
It looks legit.
That's what I call muddled.
Okay. Okay. If you don't have one of these things, you could probably just use like a wooden spoon. Use what you got.
Yeah, use what you got. So the next ingredient is
just trying not to.
Agave, which we don't have. We actually did have it until like 2 days ago, and then we found out that it was like 2 years expired, and I have no idea if agave actually expires, but we threw it out. So we're gonna use honey.
Great. Lay it on me.
Long story short.
How much does it say?
Half an ounce. I don't know what that means in terms of that.
So what are we supposed to shake? You know?
I don't shake anything.
Well, it says shake well. We're making it in the cup.
Oh my god.
They don't shake it.
They don't?
No.
If you're a bartender at Trader Sam's, please don't yell at us.
Well, maybe they do, and then they shake the whole cup that they muddled it in.
Well, they do one of those bad
And then
boys.
they strain it. We're coming up with a plan here. You could strain it. It's probably going to be a lot better if you strain it.
Okay, and I decided this series is going to be called Lockdown with Lost Weekenders. Welcome to the lockdown.
Welcome to the lockdown.
Welcome to I was going to say welcome to the lockdown bar, but you took it like, who was he? Jesse Ventura.
Welcome to the lockdown bar.
You good?
Yeah, I just keep touching my face.
Yeah, well, me too, but whatever, we're here. Okay, now what do I do?
Add the bourbon.
Before the ice?
Well, add the ice.
Add the ice. How much bourbon?
Well, what does it say on our little cheat sheet?
Well, I could look. This is a Shipwreck.
Yeah, it's the Shipwreck.
It says 2 ounces.
Let's add 2 ounces of bourbon. But first, let's add some ice.
That's nice. There's more ice in here than we think there is. Nigel. Our good buddy Nigel here.
It's got a big head.
Got big noggin. Okay, 2 ounces. Do you want to do that?
I'd love to. Oh, this is a fun one.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it, right?
Wait, does that one fit? Or is that what you already tried?
Huh?
With the pour?
What? No, I'm not going to do that. I don't want to mess it up. I have shaky hands, which is why Kelsey does most of the work. I'm scared. What is it, 2? I think I just spilled it. Right? smells good in there.
Yo, I think we have one of those long straws. Is that it? Maybe the recipes we found were like
For like,
baby drinks. Children. Not for children.
yeah, not for, yeah.
We got one of those long straws.
Oh, one of those fancy straws. We're about to show you how fancy we
We
What?
got one of these.
A spoon.
Well, shut up, Steven.
I did say straw.
I
It is
said
a
straw as well.
Okay, so you're supposed to make it in one of those thingies and then do one of those and then pour it on the... We're doing it in the cup.
It's got the little jeez Louise.
And then you can also do the just put your palm of your hand on the top.
This? Like that?
Yep.
That's not doing anything. Not one thing.
Steven's just...
This he suggested I do this.
He's just
You
trying
know what's
to mess with
happening?
us.
Nothing. You kind of embarrass us in front of our friends.
So the instructions say, shake well and pour over ice.
We didn't
but
do that.
We went rogue.
Okay, Kat, taste it.
Shall I have a straw?
If you want. Dump ice on your face.
That sounds fun too. Not that I don't trust your strain.
I do the same thing.
Let me try that. To be fair,
That's a face you make every time you drink.
usually it's my second drink. It's not usually my first drink.
And you know what? Once again, we didn't shake it, so it didn't, I don't know, melt any ice.
Mmm, that's delicious!
Mm,
Wow!
just like.
Sorry, I didn't get you a straw. There's a lot of mint in there, so again, straining it would probably help. I just got like a mouthful of mint.
Oh, wow. Yeah, straining it.
We're not professionals.
Yeah, there's just crap on the bottom
Yeah,
of this
yeah.
cup.
And I
Good
tried
God.
to go up a little, but it didn't really help, so yeah.
Amateur hour. Oh my god, it's so good.
I'm
Ugh.
not gonna lie, it's a little shocking at first, but then it's like, oh yeah, it's a shipwreck, alright.
What are you're supposed to use lemons too. Grapefruit is a rough substitute. In the cup?
I don't know.
Okay, we have grapefruit.
Agave, which we don't have.
So what are we supposed to shake?
It's probably gonna be a lot better if you strain it. Just spill it around.
Is that it?
You're supposed to make it in one of those thingies and then do one of those. The instructions say shake well and pour over ice.
We didn't do
but
that.
Yeah, I mean, we're making do with what we have, obviously.
That's very good.
You know, it's not bad. As someone who drinks shipwrecks, it's not bad. Anyway, there's a shipwreck, quote unquote, because half the stuff isn't actually what it's supposed to be. Try
Okay.
with lemons.
Next one. Let's just do it.
Let's just do it.
Let's just do it.